Hey guys, NIC here with another daily recap. Pretty good Monday, I'll say. Was up around 700 something, but I think I ended it with around 680 without minusing comms. Um, Pretty happening day, I'll say. There's a lot of actions pre-market, and into the market there's a lot of nice move. So LMNL was my first watch during the pre-market. As you can see the chart, I was taking a lottery play here, near the 50 EMA. So added here, and when it crossed the VWAP, I scaled off half here. Then I think this was careless. It was quite careless by me. I was watching other tickers, so I did not sell it as is passing this downtrend. I mean this downline. So after that I did react and got out here, but in the open it's just insane. Went all the way up, came down, went up again, and I didn't touch it because I had a bad experience here, so that somehow clouded my judgment. However, there was a lot of tickers going today, so and I didn't want to touch LMNL too much because I don't think it has room for really big move. However, it proved me wrong. This is almost a dollar move here, 1 point, but it's really near the 200 SMA. So NAOV was my redemption. Not really redemption, is my biggest giver today. It's like the ticker that always keeps giving, as you can see from the daily. Basically, every single day there's room for you to get money. So in the open, I added here, cause this was I think it was still negative, was around negative 5% around here when I added it for it to be a red to green move, RG. So this was around 8-9%, but I see it's slowly crawling up. So yeah, I added here, and basically just let it be. So a small wedge there, and I got out here. Since this level it will probably dip after that, should probably get out fully, but since I got a really low entry, I didn't want to care about it too much. Sold out, and it came to the view up, tested the view up twice, went up with volume this time. So sold out some here and got out fully here if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so I got out fully here since this was the highest volume candle, and somehow I just feel that this is a big enough move if you look at the 5 minute. So I'm happy to get out, and seeing how the 5 minute is probably gonna come down again, maybe to the view up and try again if there is volume. So not gonna overstay my welcome. I know I could basically be making more money if I traded until 1, 2, but I could also, there's also money to be lost if I overstay my welcome. So happy with my profit today around 680. So probably gonna leave 660 or 650, I couldn't recall. But yeah, as you can see, yeah, it's holding the VWAP. It could be making a move again. However, I don't like this to sell off. Could be a fake out. So the risk is too high here, so I'm not touching it. BTBT, same thing. Look at the daily. It has always been giving, and I'm sure you viewers will realize BTBT has been on my ticker on my watch list for quite a while. So in the open, I got in here for the break, thinking this is a dip and then you'll rip, but got out here, think as this sell is really erratic. However, as the strength it did open, it came back out, close here and open here. So I immediately got in, rips up, sold out here. They want to overstay, thinking it could be a fake out. As you look at this. This is the 5 minute. It's pretty choppy, so I did not want to stay too long for this, so got out of there. Last but not least is HOOT. HOOT has been, I don't know, like it's really nice to trade. Personally, I feel there's a lot of opportunity and volume, kind of like AMC during its slower period. Same thing near the 50 EMA. added here at the, this is based on the 1 minute chart. I actually added it because if you look at the previous day at 9, this is the 5 minute candle, so at 9 there is a huge pop, and that's when Robinhood people are allowed to trade at 9. So added here hoping for the pop, but it didn't, so I didn't play too tight because I didn't size in too huge also. So I let it tank to the VWAP, and double confirmation of VWAP makes me very bullish on it. I probably should have added here, but I don't want to add it on a loser. So as it went up, I got out here. Really nice. Then the open, it dips. Yeah, probably could have done better here. But as I see, it went up and it's holding down again. But I choose to get out here around the PMH. And thankfully, I did get out here because this doesn't look that nice. So on 5 minute, it looks really choppy, this area. So got out. Yep, so FLGC is what, if let's say I were to continue trading, FLGC will definitely be on my watch. It could potentially be making an RG move, I mean a red green, as you can see. It's minus 415 now. But this move, I don't know if it did cross, let's say, the PMH and maybe today's high PMH, so it'll take some time, maybe an hour or two, 3 hours. As you can see, look. Oh man, I probably should quickly get done with my recap before I do any more trading. I'm pretty happy with this 660 win today. So yeah, as you can see, it's still slight volume coming in. Huge ask on the 12th. Huge ask on the 12th. This could potentially be really nice. Spread isn't too bad too. FLGC could make a RG move. It's a huge uptrend. Yeah, this looks really nice. Probably will close it. I mean, yeah, oh well, I can only look back in hindsight. Should just respect my trading rules, and ACY pretty harsh, was around 23 area. Yeah, and it basically went down. I did not trade it because the spread is too big, but seems like the spread is below $1 now. Might be seeing a small reversal here. It's like an oversell, $3. So in short, LMNL, this is what I traded. I believe most of the move are done, and if there's still any move, it's probably really choppy for both sides. NAOV same thing, BTBT same thing. This was, wait, what's this? Okay, hold on. Yeah, this area was probably the one I was watching. If it did cross the view out here, I will probably hop in. But just to play on the safe side, it did not cross and hold around this area and slowly making lower highs. So bam. So for you guys, maybe our outlook this it should be around 11. FLGC is definitely worth watching. Not sure how long it will take. Could even take a day, a week. But this seems like a really nice price for now. Second, ACY feels like an oversell. You could play pretty tight. Got in here, play off 19, maybe 1890. However, in the past, it has went up and went down pretty strictly. I mean, steeply. So I would definitely play this tight. And now the spread isn't that bad. There are nothing much. So decent move for SNDR today. So yeah, that's all for today's daily recap. My biggest gainer is NAOV. Quite a handful of tickers going, but this is my word of advice. Like especially if there's like 10 tickers moving, I couldn't recall the other tickers, but my thing is just to have a couple of main watch. So at a period of time I was only watching FUTU, a period of time only BTBT. So do not keep on switching and watching different tickers, as it might cloud your judgment. So yep, that's all for today's day recap. Very surprised to see a Monday that's this giving. Usually Mondays are pretty dry and pretty slow. So I'm definitely really happy to walk away with 660 today and choose not to overstay my welcome. So remember guys, trading, you can always make money and you can always lose money. So it's better to be safe. It's always nicer to have more. It's nicer to be able to live to trade another day. So yeah, always stick with a trading rule so you won't blow up your account. Alright, probably that's it. That is all. Nothing much for me to watch now. Oh, actually, hood. Okay, never mind. I'll just close this, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, you guys traded better than me today. Remember, as always, stay safe, trade safe, peace.